Over the past few decades, people in China have been living longer and longer. Here are some of the reasons for this. Diet. Traditional Chinese cuisine relies on fresh, whole ingredients rather than heavily processed foods high in sugar, salt, or trans fats. Meals are often prepared from scratch, emphasizing natural flavors like herbs and spices, and techniques like steaming and braising. Meals typically include a mix of grains like rice or noodles, vegetables, and small amounts of protein, ensuring a balanced intake of macro and micronutrients. Meals are often served family style, with small proportions of multiple dishes shared among diners. This encourages mindful eating and prevents overconsumption. Diet is predominantly plant-based, with a high intake of vegetables, fruits, whole grain, legumes, and soy products like tofu. Vegetables are often stir-fried, steamed, or lightly cooked, preserving nutrients. Animal proteins like fish, pork, and poultry are typically used in small portions, often as flavor enhancers rather than main dishes. Foods like pickled vegetables, fermented tofu, and miso-like pastes are common, supporting gut health through probiotics and aiding digestion. Green tea, a staple of Chinese culture, is rich in antioxidants and is linked to reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Exercise. Exercise in China reflects a blend of traditional practices and modern fitness trends. Ancient practices such as Tai Chi and Qigong that combine slow, deliberate movements, meditation, and breathing exercises are widely practiced, especially among older adults for health, balance, and mental well-being. Public parks feature free exercise equipment, encouraging community fitness. Group exercises, often organized in public spaces, are a long-standing tradition. These include synchronized calisthenics, dance, or stretching, especially among retirees. Urbanization and rising incomes have fueled a gym boom in big cities that cater to young professionals with affordable memberships. Apps offer guided workouts, live-streamed fitness classes, and short video platforms like Douyin promote quick, accessible routines for busy urbanites. The Chinese government promotes exercise through incentives like the Healthy China 2030 plan, emphasizing physical activity to combat rising obesity and chronic diseases. Schools mandate daily exercise, and workplace fitness programs are common. Healthcare. China's healthcare system has greatly expanded with access to medical facilities, vaccinations, and treatments, focusing on prevention and chronic disease management. The government provides basic healthcare through a tiered system of hospitals, community health centers, and rural clinics. Over 95% of the population is covered by some form of public health insurance. Traditional Chinese medicine, such as acupuncture, herbal remedies, and qigong, are integrated into the system alongside Western medicine, and all are covered by public insurance. China leads in telemedicine and health tech, with platforms like WeDoctor offering online consultations. AI and big data are also increasingly used for diagnostics and resource allocation. Philosophy. Chinese philosophy offers profound insights into peace and harmony. Confucianism focuses on social harmony through ethical relationships and moral conduct, central for encouraging individuals to cultivate compassion and empathy in interactions. Taoism teaches non-action or effortless action, urging individuals to act in harmony with nature rather than forcing control. By embracing simplicity, humility, and detachment from desires, one finds inner peace, extending to external harmony, while suggesting that excessive ambition disrupts natural balance, and yielding and adopting fosters tranquility. Buddhism emphasizes inner peace through liberation from suffering, guiding individuals toward mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom. All these philosophies converge on the idea that peace and harmony start within the individual through self-cultivation, restraint, and alignment with universal principles that extend to society and nature. Family. Strong family support systems, where multi-generational households are common, provide emotional and practical care for the elderly, reducing stress and improving mental health. My experience in China has revealed that these cultural aspects baked into society makes for a happy population too.